In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient color in Canva. Gradients are a simple way to bring depth and polish to your designs, whether you're working on social posts, presentations, or a quick thumbnail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to add, customize, and place a gradient so it looks intentional and professional. Start by opening your design in Canva. This could be a fresh canvas or a project you've already been working on. Having your content visible helps you choose a gradient that complements your layout and colors. Next, look to the left side panel and click on Elements. This is your library for shapes, graphics, and, of course, gradients. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type the word gradient. You'll see a variety of styles appear, from linear fades to soft radial blends, and even gradients shaped as circles, rectangles, or abstract blobs. Pick a gradient element that matches the vibe you're going for. Softer blends are great for backgrounds, while bolder, higher contrast gradients work well as accents or callouts. Drag the gradient you've chosen onto your canvas. Once it's there, you can immediately get a sense of how it interacts with your existing content. If you're aiming for a background look, place it behind your main elements and let it cover most of the canvas. If you prefer a highlight or banner style, keep it as a smaller shape that draws attention to a headline or key image. Now, click the gradient on your canvas and then look to the top toolbar where the gradient colors appear. You'll see color swatches that represent the different points in the gradient. Select each swatch to choose or change the colors you want. Consider your brand palette, the mood you're creating, and readability. For subtle, modern designs, try colors that are close together on the color wheel. For more energy and contrast, choose colors that are farther apart. Dark to light gradients can guide the eye, while warm to cool blends can create depth. With your colors set, resize or position the gradient on your design. Use the corner handles to scale it proportionally and rotate it slightly if you want the blend to move diagonally. Pay attention to spacing so the gradient supports your content rather than competing with it. Keep text legible by placing lighter text on darker areas and darker text on lighter areas. That's it. Open your design, find a gradient in Elements, customize the colors from the top toolbar, and then resize and position it to fit your layout. With a few thoughtful choices, gradients can instantly elevate your design.